Hey everyone, it's Liam Mulcahy here with the SAT Initiative. We're looking at inequalities word problems, and this is from SOL A5. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the first question. This is just a little refresher of how you shade when you're dealing with inequalities. Basically, you just want to graph the line y equals 2 over 7x minus 2, and then you want to decide whether or not you shade above or below. So we got y is less than or equal to that equation of a line. So we first need to figure out what the equation is and then recognize that we're going to be shading below that line. So we can plug into y equals and see that our line is going to have an intercept at -2. So that means that we're going to want to get rid of these that have intercepts at +2. And we're torn between B and C now. And we realize that because it's less than, y is less than 2 over 7x minus 2, then we're going to choose answer choice C. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, so they're telling us that a rectangle has a length that is 3 times the width. So we know our width is W. We know our length is going to be 3 times W. And now we know the opposite one is also 3 times W, and we know that the width is equal to width. Now they're telling us something about the perimeter, so we know perimeter is everything added up, so we know that's greater than 48 centimeters. Now we add all that stuff together and we get 8W is greater than 48. Divide both sides by 8. 48 divided by 8 is 6, because 6 times 8 is 48. Now we're going to multiply both sides by 3, because 3W is equal to L. And they want to know about the length, so we're going to multiply both sides by 3 to get it in terms of L, and we get L is greater than 18. That's the answer choice C. Alright, we're on to the next one. Now, in this question, basically this guy Malik has $24 to spend, and he can buy 6 pounds of pecans, or buy pecans at $6 per pound, and buy cashews at $8 per pound. And now what we want to do is we want to figure out what if they spends all his money on cashews, and what if he spends all his money on pecans. Now you want to divide the total amount by the cost per pound, and you realize you can get at most 4 pecans and at most 3 cashews. Now we realize that all of these have it included, that have that line drawn, but the difference is where it's shaded and whether or not that line's a solid line, meaning including those points, or it's dotted, meaning not including. And we realize that it is including because he can buy 4 pounds of pecans, not just less than 4 pounds, but 4 pounds. And we know that we should be shading down because it's limited by how much money he has. Alright, so I accidentally clicked it earlier, but our answer is D, because it's shaded down, it's shaded below, and it's a solid line, meaning it includes those points. Alright, so that's all I got for you. Just take your time on these and remember how inequalities work, and I think you'll do just fine. Alright, check out some of the other videos, and thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.